Greg!
Friday is a good day, guys. How was the trip?
We got to see seals.
I saw that.
That was fun.
Okay, time to leave San Diego. I like turtles, and turtles like me.
Leftover coffee.
Walk all the way around there.
It's pretty nice.
Like, yeah, it's just super chill.
Look at all the seagulls. This is Laguna Beach. They had a TV show about it.
Ooh, this water is cold. Oh no!
Stupid waves.
I don't know why you're wearing jeans.
So now, while she's doing that, I'm gonna cross this deadly ledge here. Hey, what?
We still need to get to LA. We have like another hour and a half to drive from Laguna Beach. We're gonna try to drone somewhere along the coast. We're at Palo Verde. It's really pretty. You see a little lizard? You see that little lizard? So we're on the resort property right now. And if you wanted to, you could rent that out. That's so beautiful. So pretty.
Not flying sport mode here.
Do not fly in sport mode. This happens with me. I don't understand why. I was just flying the drone and then it disconnected. I gave the controller to Tim and I prayed. And then it reconnected and all is well in the world.
Yeah, that's fun. That's good. For sure.
Not panicking for me, not fun. Thinking I have to go talk to State Farm about how my drone that I just bought crashed. Thinking about how I'm gonna tell my dad that his beloved drone, it's really ours, but you know, his favorite drone got lost. I ain't doing it.
Tim's in love with the last Airbnb we went to in San Diego.
And this is exactly...
You hear that? Can you see that?
Thank you for proving our point.
Yeah. That light? Yeah. It doesn't have a light bulb in it. Like, the light bulb's gone. So that's cool. That toaster oven right there sparked and does not work. That's cool.
On our way to Joshua Tree, there are some amazing mountains out here. So we were looking at these mountains and we're like, oh wow, you know, what are those white things on there? And the more we look at it, the more we notice that those are like huge boulders.
It's a little way. Alright, we are in Joshua Tree. What we want to do is we want to do some stargazing tonight, so we're gonna stay until after sunset. We got here so late that we didn't have to pay any parking. Yeah, look at that. They're a little dangerous looking.
I'm here at Joshua Tree and I figure I'm gonna do a tiny bit of exploration and I'm gonna avoid as much cactuses and thorns as I possibly can. I already got pricked by a bush coming out of the car. That rock looks kind of like a penis, doesn't it? Hopping along some rocks. Ooh. Okay, I think I'm gonna climb that little mound there. This looks amazing. I've made it up to a little peak. That little speck right there is Nina.
So it turns out Tim really likes Joshua Tree. I like it too, but I like it at this time of day when it's not like scorching hot, and it's also like beautiful because sunset, long shadows is awesome.